My name is Sheila Cunningham. I'm a Professor of Social Cognition in the Psychology Department, and I am Programme Tutor for the MSc Research Methods in Psychology. The programme is designed to suit people who are interested in developing their research skills. So that might be because they're interested in going on to do a PhD, or because they want to take these sorts of skills into industry or into other aspects of their lives. So the programme involves developing practical skills, technical skills, analysis skills, communication, the sorts of professional research skills that you'll need if you want to go on for a career in research, either in academia or outside of academia. So in terms of the research that you can do here, we've got a range of different facilities that you'll be able to benefit from. So our research staff are broadly organised into 3 different areas. So we've got development, learning and evolution, with a focus on things like child development, educational research in particular. We have cognition and language, where they study things like vision science, language processing, including artificial intelligence, so looking at large language models. And we also have a policing, security and forensic science group that really have a focus on forensic psychology and policing issues. So within these groups you can get access to different technologies and research facilities, so things like different experimental platforms that you can use to build different research studies, eye tracking technology, AI tools, access to schools and police services and so on. So what we ask students to do is identify a research supervisor early in the application process, and then across their MSc we can then make sure that they've got access to both the expertise and the research facilities that they need to support the project they're going to be running. So what we've tried to do with this programme to make it distinctive is to make it really personalised to your own research interests. So you'll work with a specific research supervisor from the start who's really aligned with your own research interests. And then we have modules in which you really individualise the content to suit your particular programme of research, which is quite an innovative and distinctive approach. So you'll be looking at developing technical skills or analysis skills that really suit your particular project, and the learning and assessments are designed around that, so really tailored to developing the skills that you need for your own project. And then obviously at the end of the programme you can put them into practice. We would expect quite a lot of students to go on to further study and research, so to do a PhD in psychology, and actually we offer a transfer route. So once MSc students have completed that first year, they can apply to transfer straight into year 2 of the PhD programme. But students on the MSc might also want to go into careers afterwards that are not related to academic research. So we support the development of very transferable skills, so things like communication skills, data analysis skills, project management, impact development, lots of transferable skills that you can take into other industries and third sector organisations.